Good day mga ka-collectibles! Another day, another sales. May bumili nga pala sa atin Dragon Ball PSA 10 natin. Pero ang tanong, worth it or worthless?
PSA 10 2025 SB01057 Bulma Son Goku. PSA 10 2025 SB01023 Son Goku.
Thank you sir for trusting King PH Collectibles. Happy collecting! Dahil na-reprinting issue na ang SB01 and SB02, kaya this PSA 10 card are great addition to our collections. Kaya sigurado tataas ang mga card value from this set. This week lang bumisita sa bansa si Masako Nosawa. Siya yung legendary voice actress ni Son Goku. Kaya kung nakatin lang din ako sa meet and greet niya, di ko sasayang yung opportunity to take a picture and sign some Goku cards. Kaya if batang 90s fan ka ng Dragon Ball, this is a great of a lifetime experience. Kahit nabenta ko to sa below market price, may profit pa rin tayo. Kaya, it's worth it! See you sa next video!
Please like and follow my page King PH Collectibles. Thank you and happy collecting.